And what's up, guys? Retro here, and I kind of missed playing Bob Pro. Like one of my old videos, I've been playing Bob Pro for a while. So I'm actually going to play Bob Pro once again and try to complete. I don't need tutorial. I don't need tutorial. Oh my! I don't need a tutorial. Oh my! Wait, I don't need a tutorial. This is a soon though. Can this? Oh my. Bro, I already know how to play this game. Let's go noob first. We're gonna finish tomorrow. We're gonna finish this. Okay, let's go with hard. Up. Wait. Let's go with hard. Let's go with hard. Do why? I randomly fell. I didn't. It fell, right? It fell. Go. Land. What did he keep? Gagi! Gago. Gagi. May taga-China dito. Adang put.
May bayan? May pop-up?
Sino may pake?
Kailangan ng VIP.
Sino may pake? May kapulisan. Putang ina. Reset? Reset yung Mario Step. May pake dito sa videos na to. Hindi ko naman ito. Hindi naman ako mahilig ng mga dramas. Ayun. Possibility. Yes. Where is he? On the moment. I'm just gonna. Let's see. I know how to play. This. I'm not family friendly. My videos are not kids friendly. Oh my god. My videos are not kid friendly. What? Kid friendly. Fuck. Oh shit. No. Reset. Anong? Lagyan mo mamatay reset. Ano tayo di? Dire. Ano tayo dito? Reset Marius. Marius. Ano naman ito? Reset na to. Off the phone. Punta yan dyan! Punta yan dyan! I don't like art class. Tangkina. Putang ina, hindi ko naman yung tinapa. Kiss yun eh. Gusto Facebook to. May Facebook na ako. Tanga ba kayo? Ah! yung paborito ko dito. No. Fuck. I'm liking it. Oh! Like, that's a little spaceful. That's so spaceful. Putang! Abis. Puta. Aray ko. Aray kong gag. Putang ina. Aray ko. Putang ina. Gag. Akong CapCut ah. I don't have cap. Please! I don't have CapCut, so I can't really censor some bad words here. So, I promise it's not like 1,000 bad words. That's from the Philippines. Ba't ka... Please! Ano naman puro ads?
Boring naman, walang magawa. Tapos ang init po. Ha? Boring? Ay, ano ba lang kahit ang hindi? Oh?
Back. Okay. Let's go! God! Where was the one that I used to move? Where was it? Guess that. Oh, I just realized they put it. Oh, yes. This is new! This is new! This is new. I missed out a lot of things in Bob Bitch. And Bob Pro, I missed a lot of stuff because I'm like, little putek naman. Oy! I like, I've deleted the game. I know. Gago. Ay, nahirapan na dito. Tulo ko lang ka. Tulo lang po pag ko nakikita. Ba't ayaw mag-ano tang ina? Ayoko na. Bis putang ina. Ayoko na. Ayoko na. Ayoko na. Ayoko na. Bye guys!